Guatapé travel itinerary. Travel information. Introduction on the place, direction on the track, means of transportation, activities to do, place to stay, costs, images. Introduction. Guatapé is tourist municipality in the Andes in western Colombia and east of Medellin. It is famous for its houses decorated with color but reliefs. It located near the artificial reservoirs of Peñor Guatapé, a very popular water sport center. Means of transportation. From the transport terminal in the north of Medellin, you can find a direct bus to Guatapé. The bus costs 17 cost. The trip takes approximately 2 hours. Activities to do. The trip will last 2 days. The first day we will arrive and stay in hotel day. Then we will visit the Rock de Peñol. At noon we will have lunch in a restaurant. In the afternoon we will walk through the streets of this beautiful town. At night we can go dancing at the luxury disco. Second day we will go to the boardwalk and take a boat ride. We will have lunch with a delicious straight paisa, which in the typical dish of this region. In the afternoon, we will practice rappelling, and finally at night we'll enjoy a spa. Place to stay. Hotel. You can find different hotels, cabins, and most importantly, you can choose according to your budget. You will also find different restaurants in which you will find different types of typical dishes of the region. There are also several restaurants where you will find different types of typical dishes from the region. The typical one, this is the pine type. You will also find different types of dishes, such as kosher, meat, and fish, such as trout. Cooks. You will find others from 6,500 to 1,000,000 to 120 100,000 Colombian pesos per day. For this, for this trip, you will need a budget of 1,500,000 to 300,000, depending on the activities you are going to carry out. Imagine. Thank you.